Sensibility and practicality define the 2006 Scion XB. This four-door, five-passenger wagon provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.